What's the meaning of bristly? Bristly. Bristly.
Bristly. Bristly. The word bristly means having stiff, prickly hairs or bristles. It can be used to describe the texture of a surface or the physical appearance of an object or animal. For example, a boar's fur is often described as bristly due to its coarse and prickly hairs. Similarly, a brush with hard and stiff bristles can be categorized as bristly. The sensation of touching a bristly surface may feel rough and prickly, whereas the visual appearance of something bristly may imply a sense of ruggedness or coarseness.